This is voila, very expensive perfume from France from my last trip. I know you were only mixing with the herbs and potion, you silly woman.
So I am silly? You come to me whenever I want you. You can't resist me. And my potions are silly.
No, Master Wu, sit my chérie.
I may sit Yaya on his lap.
On your next trip, I want something special. A very special chapeau. The most beautiful hat in Paris. You know we Creole women love hats, and I must be the envy of all women in Louisiana. French, Spaniard, all of them. Chérie, what did you find out about the Spaniard businessman, Fernand Juan Carlos Montero?
Say oui, yes! Yours is very well taken care of. If you're looking to get a good deal, he is a very wealthy man. He does have a wife and child in Spain, but spends his time there only twice a year on business travels. Whereas he may be sending for them to come to Cuba, where he has a thriving plantation.
So he is married. No matter. It is the deal that matters. Très bon. Merci, mon ami.
Yaya teaches cooking.